Let's learn treble crochet. For treble crochet, we have already made a chain. We will yarn over twice on our hook and we will work in the fifth chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We will insert the hook in the fifth chain, pull the yarn. Now we will have 4 loops on our hook. We will yarn over and pull through 2 loops first. Again yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Again yarn over and pull through last 2 loops. We have made a treble crochet. Again yarn over twice, go in the next chain, insert the hook, pull the yarn. Again we have 4 loops on our hook. We will yarn over, pull through 2 loops, again yarn over, pull through 2 loops, again yarn over and pull through last 2 loops. And this is how we'll make treble crochets. Always remember, we will yarn over twice to make treble crochets. And treble crochets shall look like this. I hope you like my tutorials. If you do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you can get notified for my new upcoming videos.